we're gonna be, okay, hold on for a second. Okay, today we're gonna be, today we're gonna be, like creating EAS alarms. See, it's at the top. Yeah. So let's start. Okay, why does it talk? I need to skip that part. USA 7 out of 10. No, I'm just giving it a 6 out of 10. So it sounds like a computer battery dying. I'll be right. This gets a 7 out of 10. Oh my god, it's scary, and why is it so loud? Oh, this one's kind of relaxing. They weren't even, come on, they weren't even trying, bro. And this one's a 1 out of 10. I have to hear this every day at testing time. Wait, what was that voice? Wait, what was that voice? What even was that voice? This one sounds like... Oh, bro. Why does it say alien? Okay. Thank you, Israel. Very scary. Superman. Yeah, it's a Superman theme. That one's like a 9 out of 10 because it just jump scared me there. Whoa, bruh. That was so loud. 10 out of 10. Thank you, New Zealand. Continue. Why does it... Yeah. Okay, can you... Okay. You can't even think of your own one, bruh? Come on, they weren't even trying. It's too quiet. Oh my god! What was that? Oh, there's an infinite amount of numbers there. I'm gonna put the volume down a little bit. Yeah, it just sounds like a race car, bro. Oh yeah, 2 out of 10. They weren't even trying. Come on, you can't even make your own one? Copycat from police. Yeah, it does. What is... Okay, that's a 20 out of 10 over here. Let's continue. Come on, South Korea. Okay, they're just swearing words. I don't know what the voice is saying. Okay, that's a 15 out of 10. I don't know what the voice is saying, but it's scary. Why does it remind you of you? Okay. What? It's just like a train alarm, bro. No comment. Yeah, it just says la la la. 0 out of 10. They weren't even trying, bro. Yeah, it's weird. Okay, it's a 0 out of 10. It's just a beep, and they weren't even trying. Oh, bro. This is the scariest one that I've seen. Yeah, it does. Oh, it's high-pitched. Wait, let me just check. Okay, we didn't have that much ago. It's too quiet! Yeah, it does. Okay, France, stop swearing. Okay? Stop swearing. Why are you accusing at me, bro? This is scary, bro. This is scary, bro. Oh, she just fell down. Okay. I'll get this on the 6 out of 10. But, what? Okay, please don't take me to Brazil if this is their alarm. It sounds like voices stuck in your head. It's kind of relaxing. So I just put yeah, it does.
Amber alert.
Brain, can you stop that? This is so weird. Romania, can you even make your own? You copy the US? Okay. I have no comment for this one. Oh, it's Switzerland again, bruh? I don't know what to say about this one, bruh. Ooh. Okay. Another copycat, bro? Stop swear. Okay. Oh, party time! Okay, guys. Right then, stop. Okay.
Huh?
It's like the farting.
I didn't hear you.
But wow, wow, wow. It's just saying wow, wow, wow. Okay. So, yeah. See you.